Okay, so I went ahead and installed a turn signal and hazard lights. I already have the horn and different switch for headlights, but so it's mounted here. It runs through. I do wish they made this longer, but it goes in this manifold, and then it splices into the main harness in a couple different areas below the cowl, but wired different switches here. So got headlights, hazards. This is my LED glow, but you can see everything's off. My DRLs are running. So everything's off. I'll just put the left turn signal on. And we'll go right. What's nice about these is because it doesn't have a wheel interlock to undo it after the turn. It has a 30-second timeout, which is quite nice. And that's that. And it still works, so I'll turn the headlights on. Yeah. And then wired in a hazard switch, which is nice. So I've got the hazards going, and those will stay on all the time. It does not have the 30-second timer. But yeah, it's a lot nicer. I mean, this thing goes almost 30 miles per hour, and I drive with traffic, so not having a turn signal and using my hands was getting kind of annoying. So pretty happy with how that turned out. And this is, again, I had the MadJax LED basic light kit, and I used the Ultimate Light Kit upgrade, which also has a brake pedal, but I don't have the wiring for that. And I could wire the horn, but I have to splice into the harness, and I already have a foot horn, so gave me exactly what I needed. But hope that helps, but real easy.